In this video, I'll show you how to move Metamask to another phone. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So this is the safest and easiest way to move Metamask to another phone or multiple devices. All right, and it says here that one of the benefits using Metamask is that you can use your secret recovery phrase to access your wallet on multiple computers or smartphones because you are not bound permanently to a single device. Now, to access your wallet on a new device, use your secret recovery phrase to restore your wallet. And through your secret recovery phrase, they will give you access from any device, and you'll need to set up a password again and re-add any networks or tokens that you need. And again, this is because the data is saved locally in each instance of Metamask. And if you have, let's say, more than one address account associated with your secret recovery phrase, use the create button at some point and they will be restored automatically if they have like a non-zero balance of ETH. Otherwise, you can just add them back by hitting create account again until you have all the ones you need. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you all in the next video.